watch me blow. BAM! What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I don't know what to say because we don't even know what this video is about. But with that said, let's just get into it. And if you like what you're seeing, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you don't like what you're seeing, go to Anthony's Instagram right now and comment Premium Auto Styling at Premium Anthony. Don't use this one. See you guys later.
What up, guys? We got a little bit delayed on the BRZ sluts material, so we're gonna take a pause from that and we're gonna focus on these two bumpers we have here. We have this Veris type style bumper here, and then we also have the Rocket Buddy. Basically what I'm doing here is, since this was prepped by a pretty reputable shop, I'm just basically trying to make sure if there's any imperfections on the surface, which there really isn't, but I'm just trying to sand everything down if there is need be, make sure everything's smooth, and then start preparing this bumper for all the inlays and or wrap material. With that being said, we got so much stuff to basically go happen before Friday, and what?
Over here, waiting for you to finish so we can wrap the bumper.
We're in a time crunch. We gotta get this done, so let's do it.
So just let me know. Okay, no problem. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Where are you right now?
On the phone with a customer. He wants to make an appointment. Hi guys, if you ever want to book an appointment, please hit me up on my line. Just kidding, don't put that. Don't put that.
What's up, Anthony? Fulfilling these orders, what do you think I'm doing, bro? Alright, this is what I'm doing. Packaging these motherfucking orders, right?
That was the craziest thing I've ever seen. Oh, Low on Snapchat, you guys on YouTube, this dude eating cup noodles. Nobody doing shit in there.
Me and Mitch are pretty much torn, and as far as how we're gonna do this inlay, there's numerous ways of being able to do the inlay, making it look clean. So right now we're just basically trying to outweigh the differences between the two inlays. We decided on doing the inlay with this type of cut, so basically it goes right with the bumper and the angle of this curve.
I've explained this multiple times before. Whenever these aftermarket bumpers come in, especially unpainted, this one actually was primered. Tack is always really, really low. So we're doing our best to make sure this thing adheres. So it just kind of pushes us to make sure nothing's being stretched at all, because at the point of any stretch, there's no tack for that material, or the vinyl doesn't tack too well to the bumper, meaning that it can pull out of place really easily. So always ready, even when I'm not feeling good. I'm not feeling good, let's do it. All right, as you guys know, we create pre-cut vinyl overlays here in the shop. And one of the most popular ones that we're selling right now is for the GTA 86 platform, BRZ platform. If you look out there, just across the way, you can see that one has our taillight overlays on it. That's how popular they are. We do a lot of them. Very easy to install, but I'll show you kind of a little bit of the process. I think on Premium Garage, we have, which Premium Garage is our other YouTube channel. Go subscribe. Shameless plug there, huh? Go subscribe to that channel. I think we're on like approaching 16K, so thank you guys. But back to this. If you look here, it's a clear outline in the taillight around the red. Our overlay goes right in that area and just smokes this thing out. And it makes the taillight look much more aggressive. So there's a good reason why they're popular. And I'm gonna show you guys how to install them. It's a little mist of water, just a little mist. Take your overlay, identify which one is which. Obviously this one goes here. I'm gonna spray the back of the adhesive side one more time. I'm gonna spray it a little bit more. I'm gonna give it a little bit more.
Oh gosh, it's tacky.
You tacky, bro. Slow motion, watch. Ready?
Yeah.
I tried to do life in slow motion, it didn't work. Finished up the taillight install. Why don't you show them how cool it looks? Just show them. Okay, no, don't show them. Back to, oh, fuck. I poked myself with the blade.
Can we just plug the website?
Yeah, just take a look at these, premiumautostyling.com. Super easy to do, and it's self-explanatory why you should do it. Look at it.
it's this.
Yeah, you gotta watch this.
And then I'm sitting there and I just hear, yo. And he's like, oh, dude, you did not lock the door. Oh, people don't need to lock doors, man. I didn't want to see that today. I was like, you just stared at him for 10 seconds while you explained that shit.
Why wouldn't you lock a restroom door?
I did lock it, just jammed up.
Behind the scenes premium. A lot of car wraps happen obviously throughout the day. We film all day, and then at the end of the day, when stuff starts winding down, we start to go through the content, figure out what we're gonna put on video, what we're not gonna put on video. And the reason why I say not on videos is because a lot of stuff gets said, pranks happen throughout the day that just can't go on YouTube. They're not suitable for YouTube. It's a whole nother step that we've added into our business that's totally different than most wrap shops. A lot of the wrap shops get in there, they do their thing, they leave, and that's cool, that's fine. With us adding the content production side, we're basically adding a whole nother business to our business. So yeah, part 2 of the day. Let's get this content produced.
Look at his face. What? Daniel is such a douchebag. Look at this guy. God. You that's why you got a truck, huh?
Yeah, super douche.
So Daniel wanted me to put in his little mess up and then to add in the little bars and tone little beep thing. So it's supposed to be just like this with the colors, and I thought it'd be kind of funny because his face kind of looks like that. So I took a screenshot, blew it up a little bit, and then with the help of the crew, we added in a little extra touch. A split second.
No, don't put me in the shit. That was just John. John Kate brought me in and showed me this shit. That was nobody else but John. Remember that.
A trash can, take it to the front.
Oh, my ankle.
No, we just emptied that trash
Mitch,
can.
Mitch, open it up. My ankle, bro.
Oh my god.
What a bro. He didn't even like care. He didn't even care.
We give a car wrap away at every
Dang, why'd you do that to me? Listen, if you're trying to sabotage me, and I see it now, you're trying to sabotage me on video. All right, so with the bumper, we had to do all these inlaid first. We did it in gloss black. We did it in gloss black along with the center part. So this whole little happy face area, and have a nice little black smile. Nice little.
Careful.
Bro, dude, did you join the military?
I needed a haircut.
All right, so we did inlays on the right here on these. Yeah, so right here there's a couple lights that go in here. We did those in gloss black. We did the center in gloss black, and now all the blue inlays and black inlays have been done. We also did inlay here and here, which we've talked about multiple times, why we do inlays for certain things. And I don't need to get all into that. If I do need to get into it, just go back a couple vlogs and you guys see what we're talking about in regards to inlays and overlays. But right now, we are gonna wrap the full bumper, get this knocked out, because it is 6 p.m. and we all wanna go home, go chill with our families, our kids, our moms, his mom.
What?
You wanna chill with your mom. Bro. Damn.
Alright, I'm gonna do that myself.
Bam! Welcome back, guys. Come on, John, during my outro, this guy's always ruining it. All right, welcome back, guys. Not welcome back. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and we appreciate the support. God, nothing's going my way right now. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Don't forget, we give away a car wrap at every 200,000 subscribers. What does that mean? That means that one of you guys is gonna get a car wrap when our channel hits 200,000 subscribers, and every 100,000 from here on out till we hit 1 million. I wanna hit 1 million, that's my goal. Super easy to do. All you gotta do is go to the description below, sign up for the car wrap giveaway, and be a subscriber to the channel. And every once in a while, drop a comment. Say what up to us, talk shit to us, say hi to us. I don't care. We just wanna see you guys comment below. And no matter if you're talking positive or negative, I'll give you a little heart on the comment because we love you guys anyway. But we'll see you guys in the next one.
I'm holding your stomach cord. Oh god.
Don't cut. Better cut that up. Don't make me look like a super douche.
No, you're out.
Super douche.
Hurry up in this vlog.
Hashtag super douche. Bam.